Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we're working on a 2019 Wrangler. We're doing a 3.5 inch metal cloak lift and skid plate system. This Jeep 2019, 4,100 miles, newest rig we've worked on so far. So, all right, here we go. All right guys, Steven is working while I was inside watching till the end of the day on my regular day job work stuff. He's got the truck lifted up on jack stands, not the ones that are recalled from Harbor Freight. And got the wheels off, up on jack stands. He has started working on the back, getting everything ready to go there. So, All right, guys, that's it. If you haven't seen the other Jeep we've got here in the background, LS Swap, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or... All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we've got going. God damn. All right, guys, that's it. The Jeep behind me, Grand Wagoneer getting an LS Swap. Almost done with it. I got a full playlist on the channel for it. We upload videos to YouTube every Tuesday and Friday at 7. We'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. And then we also do daily updates on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks a bunch. Bye, y'all.